गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं ब्रिजेश सिंह, शिवराज सिंह चिल्ड्रन अकेडमी strongly welcome political science class. Election and representative. I had displayed my first video. I had talked about people, representation, democracy, elections. What are the correlation? What are the correlation step by step? 4 pillars of the democracy. Firstly, I talked people, most powerful element in the democracy. Secondly, I talked about election. Thirdly, I talked about election holds elected their representatives. These are the best combination to be activate of the democracy. I will talk today that election commission. Who regulate the whole process of the elections, by whom appointed, what are the liabilities, what are the responsibilities, what are the constitutionally powers, how liable to legislative, main functions, activation of the judiciary, a special zone. That's it. Main points to be discussed today of the election commission, and I will take a strong lecture, a very common topic, election commission, जिसको आप अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं कि चुनाव कौन कराता है, किस तरीके से कराता है, निष्पक्ष चुनाव कैसे होता है. All the things are associated with practical life. All the things are associated with practical life. Even a single word you can't find who is detached from your practical life. All the things, election commission, I will take proper detailed analysis. Election commission. This is the power of election commission during elections period. Election periods, the particular regulates to be conducted neat, fair and unbiased election. Election is the main organ of the democracy. Election is regulated by election commission. How the election commission constitutes, what are the powers, by whom appointed, how many members, what is the tenure, privileges of the election commission, like such all elements is going to be described in today's class. First of all, election commission constitutionally part, 22 parts have been allotted. I have already discussed in the first class of the constitution. Secondly, rights, total parts 22. 15th part total. I just want to remind 22. In the 15th part, the election commission powers, voters, conduct of elections, disputes, survival of the high level, neat and clean, fair elections. This has been mentioned in 15th part. The major question goes to you regarding MCQ. Election commission procedures have been described in which part of the Constitution, definitely you have to mention 15 part. 15 part. Option will be 15, 16, 17, 18. You have to correlate 15 part. I will talk Article 324. Very important also. Article 324 in 24 has been discussed the powers, voter list, functioning, guidelines to the political parties, absolute authority to regulation of the officers, combination between state and central elections under belief of the state's circumstances, how the election can be postponed in the casual cases. Like such discussions have to be taken by the election commission. This is very important to have to discuss what is the constituent organization this particular allots in constitution. So first 15 part of total 22. This has been mentioned 15 part of the constitution. Total articles 395 already expressed. Particular article associated to election commission 324, and this is the tenure 6 years or 65 years. What happens earlier? Election commission has been appointed. Commissioner has been appointed 6 years are completing the age of the 65 years. These are the very important elements to be associated with election commission, especially 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. These are the main features of the political science. If you don't mention like such part, and you must underline when you are going to talk about the election commission, under such special lines should be underlined. You have to focus. High level demonstration before the examiner. This is the total 22. I know very well. This has been mentioned 15 part, 322 articles, and 6 year 65 was done earlier and appointed by president. Appointed by president. Advice of Council of Ministers, advice, Council of Ministers, you know it very well, head of the state, president, but absolute powers are concerned to Prime Minister. They regulate all the powers they have been allotted to exercise their powers. Indirectly, president has to be guided in constitution to appoint the election commission, but indirectly advice of the council of ministers, president, and this is the most important fact. Election commission is the independent body. Independent बॉडी बिल्कुल स्वतंत्र निकाय के रूप में हमारा चुनाव आयोग काम करता है। बिल्कुल किसी प्रकार का पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर, गवर्नमेंट प्रेशर हमारे संविधान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेमवर्क से कंप्लीट तौर पर एकदम इंडिपेंडेंट रूप से किसी भी प्रकार का प्रेशर हैंडल करने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ा है। एंड वन मोर टॉपिक हियर, three members, presently 3 members including chief election commissioner. Once again, I would like to replay that election commission is the very independent body. He has the power to regulate all the state level elections with the cooperation of state government. Only domestic elections like Gram Panchayat, block and Nagar Palika, such kind of elections are not to be privileged to the election commission. It has been conducted by the local body in the cooperation of the presided by the state government. But in central elections as well as legislative elections, indirect election, president election, vice president elections, member of legislative council elections, all total major elections are conducted by the election commission, and this is the election commission, particular independent body, freely can take action, freely can exercise their powers, no political interference. किसी प्रकार का हस्तक्षेप भारत के संविधान में बिल्कुल नहीं दिया गया है कि चुनाव के समय केवल एक एजेंडा होना चाहिए, निष्पक्ष चुनाव। किसी प्रकार का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जाति के आधार पर, धर्म के आधार पर, लिंग के आधार पर किसी प्रकार का इंटरप्शन हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेमवर्क ने इलेक्शन कमीशन को ऐसी तमाम प्रिजुडिसेस से मुक्त किया है। एब्सोल्यूट इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी होकर के आप काम करें, और दिस इज द मेन फीचर ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी। इफ द इलेक्शंस आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी फेयर, unbiased, it must not be justified to people of the country. So this is the very, very important body to survive the elections in the country without handling any kind of pressure. Determined, absolute, fair, no partiality. This is the main cause. Election Commission has been deployed of the independent. This is not expected to be attached to any political party. This is not expected to take the special attachment to any political party. किसी भी राष्ट्रीय पार्टी के, किसी भी व्यक्ति के प्रति, पार्टी के प्रति उसका लगाव बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए। सभी के प्रति इक्वालिटी को देखते हुए इलेक्शन को कंडक्ट कराना, सभी उम्मीदवारों के प्रति संभावना रखना, और उस समय अगर लगता है इलेक्शन कमीशन को कि प्रशासनिक अधिकारी कहीं किसी भी लोकसभा क्षेत्र, विधानसभा क्षेत्र में अगर निष्पक्ष होकर काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो सच काइंड ऑफ अथॉरिटी हैज इलेक्शन कमीशन officers can be transferred, can be suspended without taking permission of the state government, without taking permission of the central government, because independent body. Election Commission will act according own condition, whatever their members, whatever their officers are realizing, demands, feedback of particular constituencies, observing, monitoring, particular officers are working, if they are attached in particular parties favor, such kind of complaints are being received. So this is the basic right of the election commission. Definitely it is bound to be transferred to the officer without asking any question, without putting any kind of question at all, and you have to, being an officer, you have to follow the instruction of the election commission. You can't go in court to putting the challenges in the court. So definitely this is a very important topic, election commission. I have talked already. People, election, representatives, and finally democracy. This is the heart of the democratic country. Democracy, a special authorization of the people, most powerful people. Election, I am talking right now, election conducting body. Very important role elections, because all the representatives are elected by election in the special role, in a special high level participation of the people. Election Commission ensures neutrality elected by our people or happening some kind of activities, people gain their confidence. I have exercised my votes in right zone, no good capturing, no money power, no pressure. So this is the main features of the democracy. If you are not going to conduct neat and fair elections, in the mindset you can say democratic processes are going on, but there are so many countries in the world who also hold elections. They pretend themselves to be real democratic, but actually they are not democratic. They should be exercised to threaten all the people that are crossing in democratic country. Actually, they are in dictatorship. But India is all over in world is called the real democratic country where the people can exercise their votes and the representatives are elected without any kind of bias or putting the pressure. So the was on the highest level of democracy in the world, highest level of democracy in the world. भारत का विश्व के मंच पर बहुत बड़ी पहचान है। इतना बड़ा पॉपुलस कंट्री होने के बावजूद डेमोक्रेसी को सरवाइव करना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है। और 1952 के इलेक्शन से लगातार ये चुनौती हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन सरवाइव कर रहा है, होल्ड कर रहा है। और इसीलिए शुरुआती तौर पर जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बन रहा था तो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लेकर हमारे फेमस ने इनको बिल्कुल इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी पर रखा कि जितना ही कम दबाव, जितना ही कम प्रेशर इलेक्शन कमीशन पर होगा, उतना ही बेहतरीन ढंग से पीपल अपने वोट का एक्सरसाइज कर सकेंगे, बेहतरीन एक्सरसाइज करेंगे विथ कंप्लीट फेथ, विथ कंप्लीट इंटरेस्ट, maximum participated in election. If they are getting insurity, एक बेहतर मतदान हो रहा है, जिसको हम वोट देना चाहते हैं वहां तक वोट पहुंचेगा। अपने कैंडिडेट को जिताने में जो हमारी पसंद है, the contest election, real candidate should be elected, must be elected. This is the emotion of the people. So people election they participate. If they have apprehension, neat and fair elections are not being conducted, they don't have intention to participate in the election because they have grievances. There is no meaning of going to the polling booth because all things are pre-calculated. So absolute faith is the matter of gain to the people and providence of the trust. This function creates election commission. Election commission ensures people indirectly bound under pressure. You have to exercise your right to vote. The highest level of democracy in the world. This is the main attachment of the election commission's functions. So these are the major points of the election commission. I have already discussed here. Moving on next topic. I have talked about people, by the people, for the people, of the people, elections, minimum age 18 years in 1989 under the Prime Ministership of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. It has been reduced from 21 to 18 in a special 52 constitutional amendment. Having completed age of 18 years, every citizen of country can exercise their votes. One of the restrictions, he must be citizen of India. Must be citizen of India. Other instructions beyond of the judiciaries, some restrictions have been imposed, but the major feature to be Indian. You are Indian citizen, you have completed 18 years old, you are absolutely free to exercise their votes, their powers, This is the called right to vote. Right to vote. Right to vote freely. This is the goodness of our constitution. This is the goodness of our democracy. This is the widely recognized, identified level of India on the floor of world. Very populous city, highly populous country, having populous country. It's not easy task to survive the election. Our election commission, including 3 members, 1 chief election commissioner and 2 additional, survives with the mutual cooperation of state governments, central governments or officers since 1952. Having held the first elections, this kind of scenarios are being successfully. So I talked about the very important topic of the election commission. These are the facts who are relevant to the election commission, are very important if you are going to express your answer, either 1 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks. If you talk about the election commission without putting such kind of information, this cannot be categorized with a matured answer. Matured answer. In the examination, you have to write the B part with underline. Article 324 underlines. Tenure 6 years or 65 years. या तो उनके 6 साल का कार्यकाल पूरा हो जाए या 6 साल का कार्यकाल पूरा होने से पहले उनकी एज कितनी हो जाए 65, व्हाटएवर अर्लियर। 6 साल का कार्यकाल पूरा कर लें, एज से कोई मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन 6 साल का कार्यकाल पूरा करने से पहले अगर उनकी 65 साल हो जाती है तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली वो सर्विस से रिटायर्ड हो जाते हैं, सेवानिवृत्त हो जाते हैं। प्रेसिडेंट उनको अपॉइंट करता है और एडवाइस ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स और इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी है, 3 मेंबर्स होते हैं और ये इलेक्शन कमीशन से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि किसी पर्टिकुलर पार्टी, किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन, किसी पर्टिकुलर लिंग के प्रति उनका ये जो अटैचमेंट होता है बिल्कुल होना नहीं चाहिए। एक कंट्री निष्पक्ष रूप से चुनाव कराना उनका उद्देश्य होता है और मैं कह सकता हूं कि बिल्कुल सफल रहा है, हमारा कंट्री बिल्कुल सफल रहा है। और यहाँ एक दूसरा दायित्व आता है पीपल का, जो एक्सपेक्टेशन हम इलेक्शन कमीशन से करते हैं, निष्पक्ष रहे, जाति का, मजहब का, धर्म का, लिंग का, स्थान, लोकेलिटी साउथ का है कि वेस्ट का है कि ईस्ट का है, unpointing some kind of demerits, same expectations implement practically to the people. जनता से भी यही उम्मीद की जाती है, टीम वर्क काम होना चाहिए ना। अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन इस चीज को सर्वाइव करता है तो फिर जरूरत है किसके लिए सर्वाइव करता है? सेंट्रल बॉडी, पीपल। इलेक्शन इज कोरिलेटेड टू पीपल। इफ मैक्सिमम पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी पार्टिसिपेट, व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ इलेक्शन? व्हाट्स मीनिंग ऑफ इलेक्शन? डेफिनेटली नो मीनिंग ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशंस, नो मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। इसीलिए भारत के ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, इट इज नोटेड पर्सनालिटी नॉट ओवर इंडिया, अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, ही स्टेटेड ए लाइन, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज कंपल्सरी बट whatever people are exercising the rules of constitution, this is more important. उन्होंने कहा था कि संविधान थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर उसको यूज करने वाले लोग अच्छे हैं तो फिर वो कमी आपको दिखेगी नहीं। अगेंस्ट उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि कितना भी खूबसूरत संविधान हो, उसके रूल्स अच्छे हों, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातों को लिख दिया गया है पीपल के लिए, इलेक्शन के लिए, डेमोक्रेसी के लिए, राइट के लिए, फंडामेंटल राइट, डीपीआर, जुडिशरी, लेजिस्लेटिव, एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेकिन अगर उसको फॉलो करने वाले लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं, मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं ना, उसको फॉलो करने वाले अच्छे नहीं हैं तो निश्चित तौर पर ऑल द एफर्ट्स विल बी स्पॉइल्ड। कोई मायने नहीं होता है, कोई मायने नहीं होता है। अच्छी चीज का दिमाग में आना अलग बात है, प्रैक्टिकली उसको एक्सरसाइज करना, दिस इज द मेजर पॉइंट, दिस इज द मेजर पॉइंट टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन योर लाइफ ऑन द ग्राउंड लेवल, दैट्स ग्राउंड लेवल। आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऑब्जर्व द रिजल्ट। द इंजेक्टेड माइंड, having studied the books, these are the rules. If you are not exercising properly on the ground level, I mean to say nothing right. Such feelings realized our constitution maker, हमारे संविधान निर्माताओं ने इस बात को समझा है। हम बेहतर से बेहतर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना दें, और बना भी है। दुनिया के यूनिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटीज, सारे देश के अलग अलग देशों के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से जो अच्छाइयाँ थी, जो मेरिट्स थी, जो पॉपुलरिटीज थी, जो हमारी डेमोक्रेसी, हमारी जनता के फेवर में सूट करता था, उनको हायर करके संविधान निर्माताओं ने, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर ने एक बेहतरीन संविधान आपको दिया है। लेकिन बेहतरीन संविधान है ये इस बात पर साबित करता है, इस बात को साबित करता है कि इलेक्शन कैसा हो, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि व्हाटएवर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर इलेक्टेड, they are deserving candidate or not, because this is a prominent personality, including all kind of representative make government formation. This is the formation of government, including all the students. This is the validity of class. If every student maintaining discipline, every student is dutiful, every student listening the lecture of the teachers, that will called complete matured class, बेहतरीन क्लास के दायरे में आप आ जाए। In other hand, if the students are not in favor of listening, they are not disciplined, their activity is not in good, whatever the teacher is teaching in marvelous form, outstanding form, doesn't matter. It means correlation is compulsory. Correlation is compulsory. So coming back on the topic, election commission survives share elections and representative in the sense of representative. This is the liability accountability of our political parties. They have to be select right candidates, because election commission is not going to interfere. Election commission is not going to provide any kind of guideline to political parties what kind of candidate you are going to send in the constitution to fight and contest the election. ये इलेक्शन कमीशन के दायरे में नहीं आता कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को ये गाइडलाइंस करें कि किस, लेकिन इलेक्शन कमीशन की फीलिंग्स होती हैं कि बेहतर से बेहतर कैंडिडेट उतारे अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र में, और जिस पर लोगों का विश्वास जाए, हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ वोट गेनिंग, दैट्स कॉल्ड विनर, वो जीते और जीत करके एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के रूप में हमारी लोकसभा, विधानसभा, राज्यसभा तक पहुंचे, जहां के अच्छे अच्छे कानून और पॉलिसीज। तो जो कानून बनाने वाला ही बेहतर रहेगा, कानून बनाने वाले के चरित्र पर कोई दबाव नहीं रहेगा, दे आर नॉट रिलेक्टेड एनी काइंड ऑफ इनएक्टिविटीज, करप्शंस, एनी काइंड ऑफ कल्प्रिट्स, people can gain their confidence. This is the deserving candidates. So this is the main priority of the political parties. After scrutinized heavily, they have to select the candidates to be contested election. ये दायित्व होता है हमारे राजनीतिक दलों का कि ऐसे जनप्रतिनिधि को उतारे, ऐसे व्यक्ति को इलेक्शन में उतारे जिस पर जनता का पूरा विश्वास हो। लेकिन unfortunately this is not happening. I am very sorry to say this is not happening. Political parties have only intention to capture the power. They have to put their majorities. They are using so kind of many kinds of unfair means, because they have to sustain the majority to make the form government. But this is the most dangerous zone of the democracy. यही सबसे खतरनाक मोड़ है डेमोक्रेसी पे, चाहे क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है, चाहे क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है, put a question mark on democracy if the intentions of the political parties like such criminalization of politics, सारे जनप्रतिनिधि रूप में पहुंचेंगे लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, विधानसभा, यही लोग मिलकर के कानून बनाएंगे और इलेक्शन लड़ने से पहले जिसको पुलिस मोस्ट वांटेड के रूप में खोजती है, हैविंग पावर, हैविंग विनिंग द इलेक्शन, our प्रशासन, our administration go down because they have in high post, people elect them, political party represented them as a candidate. So like these things must be avoided hugely. This is my own perception as a teacher. Take democracy a special role at the captaincy of the political parties. They have to ensure a very good, neat and fair candidature, personalities, educated, welfare, whose thinkings are attached to the people, feelings, any kind of criminal act, judiciary system, neutral, no blame, like such candidates should be selected for the election procedure. After that, our democracy must be strong. Definitely our democracy must be strong. Or this is the real meaning of the democracy. And you don't have the good ground level representatives, you can't expect your democracy will survive positively. Definitely it will survive negatively. Because they can't leave their functions on which place they are having seat. They will exercise their bad works, corruptions, robbery, murders, or practically you can observe now the 17th Lok Sabha elections presided by Honorable Prime Minister is running. Please observe every MLAs, every MPs, in context reference to different states, you will find what the condition of our legislature or state level or union level, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha, particulars, because this is the symbol of money power. Democracy indirectly registered. They are notorious from the money power, muscle powers. If you have money, if you have muscles, if you have capability to threaten the people, you have negative confidence, you have capacity to dominate administration through the pressure. These kinds of activities are generally so-called goodness of our so-called representatives. But this is the most important fact I discuss before you being a student, because some kind of intention will be injected in your mind. Present student in coming future, you must be the responsible citizen of our country. So practically needs to understand all kind of process. Only elements of the people, election, democracy, main factor of the democracy, the representatives, whatever representatives are being elected, they are in prominent seat. So finally I discussed about the election commission, direct election. I will talk direct election, direct election, indirect election, kinds of election, election commission, direct election, and indirect election. I will talk about the first, past and post procedure. F, P, P procedure. First past and post election comes in the direct elections, like the member of parliament, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha. This comes under category of the direct election. I will discuss one more video needed here. In direct elections, I will take the representatives, proportional representatives, PR system. I will correlate both system, who is better, how India bound to adopt it, first post and post election. In some cases, proportional representations are very important for compared to this. I will take the complete lecture about it, completely lecture will be delivered. And thirdly, Vice President, MLCs. What is the criteria of the Lok Sabha election? What is the criteria of Rajya Sabha election? What is the criteria of the direct elections? What is the criteria of the direct elections? Just create one more video. I will discuss detail. I have adopted the topic of election commission and practically correlated in our society, in particular themes of the election commission. What are the intentions of the election commission? Try to correlate of each other. And next video I will take the final, some more important discuss that election, and also a special role of the special role of the election commission in the regarding to election, in the political parties, allotment of the symbol, how the election can be suspended, how the election can be postponed, what are the major duties the election commission disputed, only state level high court can handle. I will talk in detail. So that's all for today. In next video, I will handle such topics. Thank you everybody.